Assalamu alaikum. This is Kamra Electronics. Today I want to show you an interesting case. This is Ventomatic Packer load cell CPU. You can see there is model number is EWU040. So this problem is when I connect this load cell, the load cell value are not showing on this display. So now I want to input the power supply. This is 24 volt DC, so I on my DC supply. This display are blinking 10 to 11 times. After 10 to 11 times it's showing the value, but this CPU continuously blinking but not showing the value. You can see that is showing error, and when I press the load cell, the CPU are not any response. So can you show the load cell? This structure we are made for testing this CPU. You can see when I press this load cell, there is blinking, but our reading are not showing on this display. So I want to show you something. There is some voltage. I connect negative probe on this CPU, and there is 24 volt is present, our multimeter showing, and this is the DC to DC buck converter. There should present 6.5 volt. Yes, you can see our multimeter is showing 6.6 volt. So our DC to DC section is okay, and also our others voltage is okay, but this CPU are not showing the value. So I will repair this CPU and will show you the problem and the solution. Be continue. Inshallah, we are successfully repaired this CPU, and now I will demonstrate this CPU. So now I want the DC supply, and sorry, now I want the DC supply. You can see the display is counting start, and this display are blinking 10 to 11 times. After 10 to 11 times it will show the value. So you just wait. Yes, now show is now value is show 00, and you can see there is no any error light, means there have no any error. So now I press the load cell. You can see when I press the load cell and show that if I press the load cell, it's increase this number, and if I don't press on this load cell, it's showing 0. That means this is the okay condition. So if you have any type of cement company or laboratory equipment, you can contact with us. And Ventomatic, packer, depocker, all type of equipment we are completely give a good result. So thank you, thanks for watch.